What's up, fuckers? I got a little dick and this meal's gonna make me nice and thick. Okay, right here we're gonna be making some jello. I've been in a childish mood, so I got myself some rice vinegar. No water, faggots. What do I look like, a fucking rich boy? Oh, look at that. Nice and good. Just rip it open. Ah! See that? Now, what I like about this jello is it's green, which will mix well with the yellow, giving it a very dark, mystical color. Okay, if you look there, that's all solid, so we got to just... Can you hear that? Oh. Ogre Cream. I'm calling this the Ogre Cream Sundae for obvious reasons. So I'm trying not to get caught. Oh, Dad. That smells nice and sweet. Cheers, bitches. Fuck. Fucking God. Fuckers! Cheers. I suggest you try this one.